I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start preparation for FRM step by step. Begin by mapping exam topics and creating a study timeline with milestones. Focus on core topics first, then add practice problems and revision sessions. Allocate consistent daily study blocks and track progress weekly to adjust your plan. Balance reading, problem solving, and mock exams to build confidence. Stick to the schedule, avoid burnout, and review weak areas frequently for steady improvement. Create a study plan that fits your routine and commitments. Prioritize high-weight topics early and interleave practice questions to reinforce learning. Use weekly goals and daily checklists to maintain momentum and accountability. Make room for at least one full-length mock exam every few weeks to test stamina and pacing. Review mistakes immediately and log them for targeted practice. Adjust study intensity based on mock performance and remaining time. Hey, if this guide is useful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is perfect for long study drives or late-night library runs, and it keeps distractions at bay with a clean scent. I find a fresh car helps me reset between study sessions and stay focused. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Select study materials that match the FRM syllabus and your learning style. Combine a primary textbook with dedicated question banks, summary notes, and topic videos for varied exposure. Prioritize materials that include worked solutions and realistic practice problems. Keep a concise error log and revisit those items frequently. Limit resource switching to maintain consistency and depth. Swap materials only if a resource consistently fails to help you improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.